Focusmate offers a simple and effective way to boost your productivity by connecting you with an accountability partner for live virtual co-working sessions. As an exclusive perk for AppSumo Plus members, you gain access to a private Focusmate group where you can co-work with like-minded individuals who are equally committed to getting things done. You can schedule sessions that last 25, 50, or 75 minutes, depending on your needs. And after each session, you check in with your partner to share your progress and stay motivated. This community includes freelancers, remote workers, and solopreneurs from over 150 countries, providing a supportive environment to help you focus and complete your tasks. With 3 free co-working sessions per week included in this group, there's no additional cost beyond your AppSumo Plus membership. Focusmate is easy to use, no apps or downloads required. Just join through your browser and sync with Google Calendar to seamlessly integrate focused work sessions into your day. If you want to overcome distractions and get more done consistently, Focusmate's AppSumo Plus group is a great tool to keep you accountable and productive.